Hello everybody. So welcome to Professional Graphic Design. Today we want to look at how you can create quality ebooks using Canva. So as you know, the first thing you have to do is to open Canva. Make sure you are connected to the internet, as you also know that Canva is an online application. So you can make a search for ebook cover. You search for ebook cover, so you can see different kinds of ebooks that you can create using their templates. But last week I've taught us how to make use of templates to make designs. So today I will be starting from scratch. I will not be making use of any of these templates. The only thing I will just do is I'll be making use of the blank page. Then from scratch I'm going to make my ebook design. So you click blank page, you have it there already. Everything here is purely blank. Alright, so let's see how we can get started. Okay, so let's firstly get the background ready. I'll be designing an ebook cover with Canva. So let me firstly add my first element, which is image from Canva. So I will go for this. Now I want to add an overlay to this image. So I'll go back to my plus sign. I will click illustration. I will click shape. I will pick the square shape. I will expand it. Then I will change the color by clicking this plus sign. I can come to this area. I want it to be cyan or blue. Okay, I can find cyan here straight. That's okay. Then click the 3 dots you have on top here by your right side corner. After that, you click this transparent icon to add that blue overlay that I want. I think I'm okay like that. If I'm not okay, I might still come back to it. So that's all about that one. Now let me start adding my text. You click the plus sign, then you click the text option. Then you search for your text, or you click add some text. I don't want to use open sans, so you search for. So let me firstly go for this Amsterdam tree. I want to use it to write my name. Iola Akintaro. I will drag it down. Then I will make this white. Cool. Then I will reduce the font. Alright, let me quickly get the font for us. Okay, graphic design with Canva. So I change the alignment. Graphic design with Canva. I want to change the size. So let me adjust this. Graphic design with Canva. Okay, that is okay by me. Let me reduce this font. I want to bring the text together. Okay, good. I like it like this. Let me increase this font again. Correct. I like it like this. I too much like it like this. Graphic design with Canva. Alright. Yola Akintaro. Just leave this like this. Then I want to put my logo. So I click plus sign, click image. Okay, now let me put another text. Some text. I'm not using Camtara Black. Let me just find one simple font. Let me check this out. I want to change this. You click and hold. Try that. Okay. Smart with smartphone. I think I prefer this. Alright. Smart with smartphone. Graphic design with Canva. Yola Akintaro. Can you see our ebook is almost ready? Then let me add subtopic to it to give people what they are to expect in the book. So, how do I carry that out? Let me start by being right. I love this. Let me change the spacing for this. Like this. Everything you need to know. So you can see how I have been able to successfully create a quality ebook cover design using my Canva app. So what else can I do with this? Let me try put a background for this, everything you need to know. So let me go to illustration, my shape. Let me just play with shape here. I will change the color. Let me make use of this yellow. Then see what I'm going to do here. Click the three button up. That down arrow. Click that down arrow to send it to the back. Okay. Now I want to edit the yellow again. The yellow color now. So let me try and do that. I will click the plus sign. I want to make it so that it will not be too light, so that I'll be able to, it will be easy to read. Everything you need to know about creating quality designs with Canva. That's good. So that yellow line, that yellow shape has been used now to draw attention to that aspect of the design. So let me try and add some transparency to that yellow. That will go a long way to help the readability. Alright, so that's my cover design. I'm okay with this and I'm happy to have been able to produce this. So how do we export? Click the down arrow that you have there, saving your image. Your design has been saved successfully. So if I want to share, you have the option of sharing. I'm not sharing now. let me still show you another thing about saving your documents. If you click this up arrow, see the options we have. You have the ability to be able to save it as the first save you made has been saved as PNG, but this time around I want to save it as JPEG because I'll be showing us how to create a mock-up online. So, and when uploading online, it is better you upload a file that is not too heavy. So I'm doing that now. Your design has been published, so I can view it now. You can see this is the JPEG version, this is the PNG version. Let me show us now how you can create your mockup with DIYbookcovers.com. DIYbookcovers.com. So the first step you have to carry out here is you pick your preferred template. I want to go for composite. Then you pick the arrangement you want. Personally for me, I love this, so I go for this. As I've selected that, you can see the color is no more vibrant like the other ones. It means you have selected that one. Then you click next. Then you now browse to upload the image from your phone. So let me browse on Canva. Good. So I will pick the image I want to make use of. So I want to make use of this. Let me use this. Then you click upload. So it has been uploaded, as you can see, 100%. Then you click next. So that's my image that was uploaded. Then you pick the version you want to download. I want to go for JPEG, so I click JPEG. Then you wait for your download to finish. Downloading, open, and that's it. That is it. Lovely, easy, simple graphic design with Canva. Your ebook is ready. Can you see that? Hope you enjoyed the class. Thank you for following. Watch out for an offer, a wonderful offer that I'll be giving out for every one of us that took part in this graphic design with Canva tutorial. We have started for about 4 weeks now, so I'll be giving us a certificate for this after you have been able to carry out the assignment I'll be giving you. Then I'm also going to give you an offer to be able to have a successful journey in your graphic design works. Thank you very much. I'm Iyola Akintaro. God bless you.